Why am I always tired? Because you are feeding these 6 energy vampires every single day. If you feel exhausted, no matter how much you sleep, you are not alone. Fatigue is the reason for 10 to 20% of all doctor visits. But here is what most people miss. It's not just lack of sleep. There are invisible energy vampires draining you dry, and you are probably feeding them without even knowing it. Vampire number 1. Your phone first thing in the morning. The moment you grab your phone and dive into emails, text, Slack, social media, you flood your body with cortisol. Your brain shifts into stress mode before even gotten out of bed. You are starting your day in fight or flight. Energy vampire 2. Decision fatigue. Every day you wake up with finite decision-making energy. What to eat, what to wear, whether to work out. Every insignificant choice drains your cognitive gas tank. By noon, you are mentally exhausted from deciding trivial things. Vampire number 3. Eating crap. Studies shows that as little as 2 minutes of walking after meals regulate glucose and prevents post-meal crashes. But when you eat processed junk, sugar-laden snacks, simple carbs without protein, your blood sugar spikes and then crashes. You get that 3 p.m. slump that no amount of coffee can fix. Energy vampire 4. Being sedentary. This sounds backwards, but prolonged inactivity actually worsens fatigue. It reduces circulation, weakens muscles, lowers mood supporting brain chemicals. Research proves that even 2-minute movement bursts boost energy without overwhelming you. Energy vampire number 5. Ignoring your emotions, suppressing, blocking, or avoiding tough emotion, especially for high achievers and creators, eats massive energy. Unprocessed emotions don't disappear. They drain you in background constantly. Energy vampire number 6. Energy vampires, the people kind. Research on emotional contagion proves we absorb the feeling of those around us. That friend who dominates conversations with negativity, that colleague who constantly needs validation, they are literally draining your emotional battery through proximity. So how do we kill these vampires? To kill vampire number 1, don't touch your phone for first hour. Give your brain calm time. To kill vampire number 2, make decisions the night before. What you will eat, what you will wear, when you will work out. Eliminate morning decision making. To kill vampire number 3, eat whole foods with protein, healthy fats, complex carbs. Walk 2 minutes after meals. Vampire number 4, move your body in 2 to 5 minute bursts 2-3 times daily. Link it to existing habits. After coffee, after lunch. Vampire number 5, feel your emotions. Journal them, talk them out. Don't suppress them. It costs way more energy to avoid than to process. Vampire number 6, set boundaries with energy draining people. You don't owe anyone to your emotional battery. These are not small fixes, they compound. Fix one vampire, you will notice improvement. Fix all 6, you will feel like a different person. Fatigue is not normal, it's your body screaming that something needs to change. These 6 energy vampires are stealing your life force daily. Kill them one by one and watch your energy return. You're not lazy, you're not weak, you're just being drained by things you can actually control.